Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie with pie crust. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and keep your crust cold while you prepare the filling. Slice apples evenly and toss them with sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of lemon juice. Roll the dough gently, line the dish, add filling, cover, and crimp the edges. Brush with egg wash for a glossy finish and bake until golden and bubbling. Let's talk about the filling because that's where the flavor lives. Choose firm, tart apples and slice them the same thickness so they cook evenly. Toss the slices with sugar, cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of flour to absorb excess juices and create a silky filling. A little lemon juice brightens the flavor, and a pinch of salt balances the sweetness. Mix gently to coat without bruising the fruit. Now assemble the pie with confidence and a relaxed pace. Line the pan with one crust, add the apple mixture, then top with the second crust or a lattice pattern. Seal and crimp the edges, trim excess dough, and make vents so steam can escape while baking. Brush the crust with egg wash for color, sprinkle a little sugar if desired, and bake until golden and the filling bubbles at the vents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.